Kiki. A monster truck. This is a playground, and this is Miki. Hi, Miki. Are you playing cubes? This is a red cube. This is a green cube. This is a yellow cube. These cubes are colored and beautiful. Look, Laurie joined us. Hey! Laurie, you brought parts from a new car? Great! You've got so many parts. Let's put them together. And attach a cabin to the back of the body. Should we install wheels now? Oh, a chassis with huge springs. And here comes the wheels. Miki, we've only got 3 wheels. Time for the doors now. A screen with headlights and lamps. It only remains to find a 4th wheel. Will you look for it, Miki? It's so big! Can you roll it, Miki? Great job! We're going to put the last wheel back and our SUV is ready. Wow, he's climbing up a steep hill and passes an obstacle made of cubes with 1 wheel. And these are sharp cones. What is he going to do? That was really high. Wow. He did it! The SUV jumped over the springboard. Good job! Come to play with Miki and Laurie again. Bye-bye! A new helper. Hi, Miki. Are you stacking the logs? Oops! No luck, Miki? Logs keep rolling away. What a pity. Hi, Laurie. Do you know how to help Miki? Laurie got an idea of putting together a new car, a timber truck. Laurie, have you brought the parts from a new car? Good job! Are you ready, Miki? Let's put together a timber truck. Attaching a chassis to a cabin. Putting the wheels on both sides. Time to attach the headlights and signals. A bumper. At the back, we'll have safety limiters so that we can transport logs. The only thing we're missing is a manipulator. Think, what does the car need to be able to lift up logs? Miki, let's go look for it. Right, Miki. These tongs can be used to lift logs. Good job! You managed to put together a real timber truck. Cool, we're doing it! You can go now, timber truck. Well done, Miki and Laurie. See you soon, friends. Balloons. Hey, guys. What a brilliant idea! You're blowing up balloons? What a beautiful purple balloon! And here comes a green balloon. And this is a red balloon. And this balloon is yellow. Hi, Bobby. Do you want to join your friends? Wow, this balloon is giant. Bobby seems to have flown too high. Guys, Bobby can't get down. What can we do? Kiki, I think Miki wants you to follow him. Pedro, Bobby needs help. Can you help your friends? Miki got such a wonderful idea. He wants to follow Bobby on this air balloon. What a thrill! You're flying on an air balloon. Up you go to save your friend. Look, it's Bobby. Hurry up and help him. Great! You saved Bobby, guys! I'm proud of you guys. You haven't left your friend in trouble.